Hello everybody, my name is Joe, and today it's episode 2 of trading up to $1 million. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the trade that took last week, what happened, the mistakes I made, some of the dubs I got. If you're ready, let's jump right into the chart. So again, just like last time, we are trading using paper trading on tradingview.com, which I'd highly recommend. And let's take a look at some of the trades I took last week. Let's look at the balance, which is 10,315, $10,315.92 with no current trades. The last time we talked, I had taken this trade on DE40 that ended up being a 4.85% gain and a closing balance of 10,399. So you can see we actually lost some money since, and I can show you some of the mistakes I made, some of the lessons I learned. The trades I took throughout that time since were 3 losses. I took a gold trade here, which was really a mistake, I believe, but positive. This was my first mistake on silver, which you can look at here. I am looking at a potential trade over here, but for now, we're going to exclude this. Essentially what ended up happening is I got in at somewhere around this point and the price reversed to me. I don't really know what I could have done differently, but I do believe I got in too early in the trade, because you can see since this point, the market has definitely moved downwards. That's okay. That's life. And this was, for me, what I would say a good trade. It's properly risk managed, only having lost less than 1%, 0.75. These two are the ones that really got me down. I started to trade US 30. And here's where I'm going to teach you a lesson that I learned. Never just trade the news. The news is inherently unimportant. What really matters is how people react to the news. I can remember it directly. It was Friday, actually. Friday morning, I'd gone out to the club. It was maybe 3 a.m. and there was J Powell was having a speech about inflation, and ended up being quite a negative speech. Thought that he still hadn't fixed inflation and rates might still increase. I was like, oh, this is such a negative piece of information. The market will have to react to this in a negative way. So I decided to take trade, and this was my mistake. And the mistake came in 2 ways. Number 1, I did not follow my risk. As you can see here, firstly, sometimes TradingView kind of is a bit difficult to use, and you can never know if you have a trade on or not. So I ended up actually having 2 trades. I had to close one out, and this was fine. Real mistake was here. My trading plan, I only want to lose 1%. But with how large a lot size for US 30s on TradingView, one lot was still a $200 loss at a very tight stop loss. This red part here is essentially my internal, my stop loss was very small, tiny. If you look at it, it's only $187 on $34,000 equity, so less than 0.55%. And let me tell you, I was wiped out. And in this single trade, I lost 2%. That is why the only thing that did save me is this trade that I was taking. I took it for most of the week, which is closed today on HK50. Again, I probably did close out on this trade a bit early, but profit is profit. And for me, I'm not a bag holder. I'm here to take money. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to... I'd wager I got at a pretty good price for this one. Could have gotten out even a bit lower, probably somewhere around here. But hey, money is money, all as well. The lesson I learned essentially now is be patient. You don't need to take a trade immediately, especially on a day like a Friday. Like, Fridays are really weird days in the market because the market is closing, and that's probably just not a good idea. And again, news for me is an indicator of what the future could be like, but at the end of the day, the market reaction is really what matters. And so yeah, that's been my week. It's Monday today. Gonna do another week. Gonna see what's gonna happen. I guess anyway, I lost about 0.8% last week. Hopefully can make that back and some more, but we'll see. Patience at the end of the day is the end of the game, and you need to rush in your trading. But other than that, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to see episode 1, you'll find it right here. Alright, thanks. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.